So which books have you read in
Uh,
spirituality?
I have read lots of books like Inner Engineering book written by Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev,
Okay.
uh, uh, Peebles of Wisdom written by Osho, and Shambhog to Samadhi, a great book written by Osho. And I have read a few books written by Guru Gopal Das, Life Amazing Secret. Okay, he had published last year, perhaps. Okay, I read these books. I don't remember. I have read lots of spiritual books, especially.
Okay, that's great. I haven't read any spiritual books, but I've heard a lot about Osho. Like he's a very spiritual writer, and there are so many books out there written by him, right?
Of course, I think he was the first man in this planet who has read so many books and written so many books.
Yeah.
Yeah, whole lots of he has read more than 1 lakh books, and even he has written more than 10,000 books.
Hi, my name is Ishika. So how are you?
Yes, I'm wonderful today.
That's great. I see you
Mm.
are a teacher,
Yes, I'm
right?
teacher. Yeah.
So as a teacher, why did you feel to take this course?
No, I think I need to work on my English because I have to, especially a spoken English. I have no problem with grammar and all other stuff. But I want to. I can communicate well in Hindi, but I have problem with English. So I want to develop my communication skill in English now.
Okay, that's great. So I'll ask you few questions, like very simple questions, like we have topic for today. So
Okay.
okay, like what do you like more, home cooked food or do you like to go out to restaurant, cafes?
No, I love to eat home cooked food.
Okay, what in that like your favorite dish?
Yeah, my favorite dish, I don't have any favorite dish. I like to eat anything that has been cooked in my home, especially, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. But anything specific like we all have
Yeah,
something.
paneer, chili paneer. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you like to cook? Do you cook?
Yeah, I cook and I can cook well because in my whole student life, I have been cooking for myself.
Okay. That's great. So what all do you know how to cook? What all dishes can you cook?
Like I can cook vegetables, I can cook, I can make paratha, I can make chapati. So yes, I can cook all these things. Even I can prepare tea, coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. So often like do you cook for yourself or is there someone else who cook for you like your mother or someone else?
Right now, my sister-in-law cook for me,
Okay.
but just 1 year before, I was cooking for myself.
Okay. Okay. You stay with your family?
No, I stay with my friend here, and my friend is married. He got married last year, so yeah, his
Okay.
wife cook for
Okay.
us. Mm.
Yeah, his wife.
Mm.
Okay. So, like, are you health conscious, like, or do you like junk food and everything?
I'm health conscious. I don't like junk food at all.
Okay. So that's the reason you don't go to restaurant.
Yeah, I never go.
You never go out, like, to eat.
Sometime if I am, if I'm traveling, so it is my compulsion to eat, the food that I outside food. Otherwise, I don't eat it.
Okay. So you like home cooked food only.
Yes.
Okay. That's great. So you can say, like, you don't need to just answer to my questions. You can say something else also.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. I think
Yeah.
you have lots of question you can ask. Okay. Ask me question because most of time I love to give the answer of questions rather than
Okay.
asking questions. Yeah.
Okay. So, just as out of curiosity, like where do you teach in school?
No, I have my own institute. I had established it in 2017.
Okay. Okay. And like that's a coaching center where you uh, teach all these subjects.
Yeah, it is coaching center.
Okay. So, do you run it by yourself only, or do you have partners or other teachers?
I have other teachers. Initially, I started with myself, but later on, I brought some tutor, and they are working for my institute right now.
Okay. That's great.
Thank you.
So, how are your these sessions going? Flippingo sessions.
Yeah, I think it is quite good, and I'm experiencing well.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let me ask you some different questions. Okay, so can you like what's like any one dish uh of which you can give recipe, like any dish you like to cook, and you can just say recipe, like it's on your tips of your hands. Any recipe you can tell.
I don't remember any recipe because from last year I have left, cooking, and even my memory of cooking is fading away right now. Everything is faded, so I don't remember.
Okay, it's fine. And okay, just one thing also, like it's faded, not faded. The
Faded,
pronunciation
faded,
faded.
faded, faded.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are some words like you are mispronouncing. So you can work on that. Like we can work on that. Like favorite, faded.
Okay. I say favorite instead of favorite. I said faded instead of faded.
Yes. Instead.
Instead.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So your grammar is good. Like you speak very confidently, but there is some mispronunciation somewhere.
I'm
Like
working on it, and I'm confident enough to. I will fix everything within 2 months, and
that's great.
I have improved a lot because when I saw my 2 3 months before videos and today's videos, and if I compare, I find lots of improvement. So I'm quite confident that I'm going to fix everything within 2 months.
That's great. Yeah, like that's the spirit one should have.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Like okay. Do you want to ask anything? Like I'm only asking you
Yes,
questions.
yes, yes, yes. Now let me ask you. So, please give me your introduction and what do you do?
Okay. I'm Ishika Jain and I live in Delhi. So
Yeah.
I'm a speaker partner with Clippingo. We take these sessions, and also I'm a writer. I write poems, stories, scripts, and I run my podcast. Like it's on Spotify.
Oh,
So
that's awesome. So
and
you
like I'm
are,
working from home right now because of
yeah.
lockdown situation. So I'm working on a freelance basis, writing projects, events also. Like I organize events also. But due to lockdown, like pandemic, there are less events these days. So all this.
So you are writer. Okay. So yeah, being a writer, how do you feel being a writer? Because I especially think being a writer is a imaginary work. Okay. One who has far-sightedness can write something. Okay. So what do you feel? How do you feel?
Uh, okay, like yeah, like there is a lot of imagination required while writing, but also there is inspiration required from real life. Like I
Yeah, of
always
course.
take my inspiration from real lives, like people who inspire me or some situations from where I can pick something. So I mostly write on that and I add my imagination to it. So it's both like real plus fiction.
Okay. So what kind of literature do you write?
I write poems. Like usually write poems in Hindi and Urdu, and I write stories in English, like short
Okay.
stories. Like I'm working on some projects right now.
Hmm.
Do you like to read?
Yeah, I love reading.
What do you like to read?
I have especially interest in science and spiritualism.
Oh,
Am I
sorry,
pronouncing that word rightly? Science,
spirituality.
spirituality, yeah,
Spirituality.
spiritualism.
Spiritualism is not the word. Spirituality.
Okay, spirituality.
Yes. Okay, that's great. So, which books have you read in
Uh,
spirituality?
I have read lots of books like Inner Engineering book written by Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev,
Okay,
uh, uh, Peoples of Wisdom written by Osho, and Shambhog to Samadhi, a great book written by Osho. And I have read a few books written by Guru Gopal Das, Life Amazing Secret. Okay, he had published last year, perhaps. Okay, I read these books. I don't remember. I have read lots of spiritual books, especially.
okay, that's great. I haven't read any spiritual books, but I've heard a lot about Osho. Like he's a very spiritual writer, and there are so many books out there written by him, right?
Of course, I think he was the first man in this planet who has read so many books and written so many books.
Yeah.
Yeah, whole lots of, he has read more than 1 lakh books, and even he has written more than 10,000 books.
Oh, okay. More than 10,000 books he has written.
Actually, he has not written the books. He has given the audio speech in Hindi and English, and the length of that audio speech is perhaps 5,000 hour long audio speech.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
he,
great.
yeah. He has been traveling all over the world in different countries, and he was just speaking. He was great orator. He was great philosopher. He was great spiritual master.
Okay, that's great. I'll try to read. I also like to read. I mostly read fiction novels or non-fiction, but I haven't read much spiritual books. So I'll try to read
No, I
Osho's.
think if you want to go inside of the life, then definitely you will have to read spiritual books. Otherwise, I don't think somebody can realize the life, immensity of life by reading fiction or other books. Because until one cannot deep into the spirituality, they can't know the immensity of life and the various dimension of life.
Yeah, I have read like motivational books, inspiring books like Ikigai.
Yes.
Have you read
What?
Ikigai?
No, I haven't read this book.
Okay, that's a great book. Like I've read general non-fiction motivational books,
Okay.
but not specific spiritual. So, what other things do you like to do?
I like to roaming. I like to wandering all over the
I like
world.
to, uh, okay, roam around, not
Yeah,
roaming.
yeah, I like to roam around. I like to wander around.
Okay, explore new things.
Yeah, it's my choice because people are doing all people are doing their own things. I'm doing my own thing.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's
Yeah.
great.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you want to ask anything else, or else we'll wrap up the session?
Yeah, I want to ask. I'm a YouTuber. If you'll allow me to upload this first session on YouTube, then I can upload it.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. You can ask the coordinator from
Okay.
Clippingo,
But
and then after
more
that.
than this, I think I need individual permission because privacy is the individual matter, not a matter of any team or group. Yes, I will drop the link email there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Like, if you get permission from there, then you can upload.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.